Hello everyone, my name is Sadhil from Bathinda. So I have made a small project for my competition Code Fair 2020. So what are we waiting for? Let's start! So this is my project front page. So when we will click on the play button, a screen will appear. So when the green flag is clicked, the virus is coming from up. See, the virus is touched to my spaceship. So the backdrop is changed to the game over. If we will play again from the spacebar, we can hit virus with the help of the bullet. From the right button, we can move to our spaceship towards the right, and from the left, we can move our spaceship towards the left. So that is my game. I hope you like it. So now we are sharing the code with you. This is the code for the play button. When the sprite is clicked, switch backdrop to space 3. It means the star backdrop. And now for this rocket ship. When the left arrow key is pressed, this is the coding for the left arrow key. When the right arrow key is pressed, this is the coding for the right arrow key. This is the coding when the virus is touching to the spaceship. Now virus. See, this is the coding for the score also, and the virus also that come up to down. Now for the bullet. This is the coding for the bullet that attached to the ship. So that is my game. I hope you like it. Thank you and have a great day.